whiz-dizzyingly cruising the moment, arrowing past all awareness. Highway, engine whine, steering wheel traffic, world smudging past, while we, preoccupied, reprise creation, absorb eternity and logos, Eden, Gethsemane, Genesis, Apocalypse, and the night, the private bleeding into the general, and our universe proxying for ego. Glorious cosmic fusion in an infinite minute, or so it briefly, eternally seems in our infinitiny universe. The ends of love are but two. Your V8 plunges from the surface and crucified like a butterfly in time, helpless consciousness heightened, you hover in slow motion witness to the juggernaut Earth's decay just as your metal again grill begins to embrace solidity. Or doomed foresight eludes as you rear end that lightless